Hi, I'm Lulu. Today I have my contacts on. So, I'm now wearing my glasses. So today we're going to talk about how we can get a wolf, a cabbage, and a pig. I drew them myself. So, across to the other side of the bank. Let's say we took the wolf. Let's say we took the wolf over to the other side. Then the pig and the cabbage would eat each other. Yum, yum. But if we take the cabbage across the river, then the wolf will eat the pig. But, let's see, and the wolf is a very picky eater, so he doesn't want to eat, and he doesn't like vegetables, so he won't eat the cabbage. So maybe we'll take the pig here. And we'll take the wolf. But we'll take the pig back to the shore and maybe get the cabbage since the wolf is a very picky eater. And now we'll get the pig last. And now all of them are ashore, so I watch over them and make sure they don't eat each other. That's it for today. Bye.